ZELDA CNC 1530 is cutting machine with 2 cutting way, CNC cutting plus flame cutting, with effect cutting length 300 cm and cutting width 150 cm. The beam design with aluminum alloy material, with good rigidity structure, uses a smart CNC control system, aiming at cutting 3-dimension lead character, trough metal panels and floor cutting. The accuracy can reach good indicators. Completely solve the traditional manual processing methods, improve the efficiency of several times. You can select any kind of cutting graphics. Drives the machine smoothly with high cutting speed and high precision. The cutting machine has arc voltage height sensor to obtain anti-collision function. It's compact, lightweight and easily portable. It does not occupy fixed space. You can connect this cutting machine with ZELDA CUT-60, CUT-100, CUT-120, suitable for indoor and outdoor cutting. A variety of specifications to meet different customers' requirements.